have additional concerns or requests, we will address those. But this should not presume that there'll be others closed down the road.
The new total of presumptive positive cases of the coronavirus in Arkansas now at 6. Thanks for joining us tonight at 10. I'm Ashley Katz. We continue our coverage of the coronavirus as school districts close, sporting tournaments shut down, and community events are canceled. Here is what we know tonight. There are 5 presumptive positive cases in the state of Arkansas right now. Both the SEC basketball tournament and the March Madness tournaments have been canceled. The PGA Tour also is shutting down for a month. Disneyland and Universal Studios are closing this weekend. Also, U.S. stocks plummeted again with the Dow dropping more than 2,000 points. We have team coverage tonight on the coronavirus. Alexis Wainwright has more on the governor's news conference today and the new presumptive cases here in Arkansas. And our Rochelle Turner is in Hot Springs, where the state basketball tournament is wrapping up their final event before shutting down tomorrow. We'll start with Alexis. And Alexis, what did the governor have to say today?
Well, Ashley, Governor Hutchinson hit a lot of key points about what the state should do in order to stop the spread of COVID-19 now that we're seeing more cases. He says this isn't a surprise, and now it's time to take extra steps.
This is a public health emergency that I've declared in the state of Arkansas.
New measures being taken in the natural state after 5 more presumptive positive cases of COVID-19 were announced by Governor Asa Hutchinson during a press conference Thursday. This brings the total to 6 presumptive positive cases in Arkansas.
But it also is a signal that we have to take additional steps and action.
The latest cases are out of Pulaski, Jefferson, Saline, and Grant counties. But health officials are not calling this a community spread, and now Governor Hutchinson offering advice.
We go ahead and advise that the schools in those 4 county areas should be closed for the next 2 weeks.
One of the cases is a med student working in Jefferson County Hospital who later rotated to Arkansas Children's Hospital in Little Rock.
4 of these new presumptive positive cases were contacts with the patient that we talked about yesterday.
The other case announced on Wednesday, health officials believe is from out-of-state travel. Health officials also telling folks if you see COVID-19 symptoms, don't go to an ER room or a crowded clinic. You can get health care on your mobile device.
If you go to UAMS Health now on your iPhone, your tablet, your laptop, you will have the chance to interact visually face-to-face with a UAMS healthcare provider 24 hours a day.
As of now, these positive tests have not been confirmed yet from the CDC. Health officials say none of the current ones are considered serious. Ashley, back to you.